and welcome back to the program. And of course, คุณเชนสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
And today, of course, like I said, we will talk a little bit about the whole what is going on with the bidding system right here in Thailand. In case a lot of people are wondering, I'm wondering myself. So if you can perhaps tell us a little bit more about that.
I won't start at the beginning.
Right.
Okay.
Let me start
From
at
the beginning.
For the water management project.
Right.
The water management project or the 350 billion baht flood and water management scheme has a foundation to sustainably prevent the flood disaster in the country.
In the entire country?
In the entire country.
Originated after the major floods in Bangkok several years ago.
We still have major flood
It's
last
just-
night.
It was
That's
just 2
quite
years
major.
ago.
That's not major
Right.
compared to what we've been facing.
All right.
Let's calm
Get
down.
back to that. I'm sorry. Okay.
You may see it as a very big number, but to be positive, the water management cannot be effective without the infrastructure change. So we would need to build a dam or a reservoir to hold the water in a way that the government can manipulate the water and can expect the consequences if there is any.
Right.
I believe the water has become a big issue in this country when the Thai farmer entered the global competition of the rice production.
Right.
That is, in the past, they grew rice twice or 3 times a year, and they refrain from growing it in the flood season, during the flood season. But once they have entered the rice competition at the global level, they have to grow rice all year long. And the problem comes when the flood arrives,
Right.
because the
lot
rice
more
will,
often.
will be damaged, and the government has to come into rescue.
Right.
You may
Oh,
ask
so
why.
that is the rice pledging
Pledging
scheme
scheme.
and the whole rice guarantee thing coming in.
The main reason is that every government, not only this particular Pheu Thai government, has a very strong standpoint on promoting the Thai farmers' well-being
No,
in the long run.
they're not.
Right.
And no, let's be positive.
Yes, let's be
it's just
positive.
not 7 a.m. yet.
Right.
They have standpoint on promoting the rice as the main exporting crops of the country.
Right. So we want to be a number 1 rice grower or rice exporter.
But we are not anymore.
We
The-
was at one
We
point.
was.
Right now, our neighbor countries such as Vietnam and Cambodia, India is a bit far away, but yes, they have beaten us
In
years
Asia.
ago.
Right.
But just to be a bit more positive, we can compare this case to when the President Obama decided to build the GM, the General Motors company.
Oh, because for them is automobile.
Yes.
For us, it's rice. So that's why we're doing it. I'm getting it.
Just the bottom line of this kind of policy is not about the cost effectiveness of the project, but it's about the values behind that. In Obama's case, we can see it as he wants to secure the people's hope or the American dream
Right.
in a bad time of the economy.
I remember.
But in the Thai case, I am not very sure what values we are taking. Or
Well,
what-
because
whose
they
value.
try to tackle the farmers, because a lot of people, I mean, don't forget, even though there are a lot of middle class right now here in Thailand, there's still a lot of
Yes.
rural people
Rural people.
that needs to grow rice to, they're less income people, really. We
The
have to-
most important is that these people, the Thai farmer, are the main voters of them. So
for
they
the
are they're
Thai
the main factor,
supporters.
Yeah,
the
main
main factor who will win the general election and will set up the government. So every government must try to please them in some way. And
So not
this
just Pheu Thai, it's every government.
every government.
Right.
So this water management that will improve their rice production,
And
also the rice pledging scheme, are one of those ways to please the farmer.
Right. So that's why it became like more or less a populist policy that they're trying to promote, and a lot of people were talking about that.
But for this flood and water management scheme, it has been criticized most about Khön Mae Wong Dam issue.
oh, man,
In the dam will be built in Nakhon Sawan, but NGO and academics fear that the dam will be too small to hold all the water from the main rivers from the north. And in my opinion, the dam is a bit too far from the rivers and a bit too close to the city.
Not effective enough.
Yeah.
All right.
And also, what is being criticized right now is about the EIA of the project. The
Yes,
EIA is the
the
environmental
environmental
impact
impact
assessment. That it fails to explain how much tree they will grow and where they will grow as replacements of the tree they will take down during the process of the dam construction.
Just to add into that a little bit more, the EIA is actually the assessment that you're supposed to do. And this is in every country, not just here in Japan.
Thailand.
Thailand. Oh my God, I just say Japan. That's horrible.
No,
I'm Thai.
you were thinking about the airport.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking about the ABBA somehow. No, I apologize. That's my bad. However, the EIA, the whole point is you're supposed to do this particular assessment and hand it in before your project get approved. Because if the EIA prove that, yes, I have done the research and it say that it's not going to affect the environment, so on and so forth, then the person will say, okay, your report look kind of legit, so I'll let you do it. Mostly in Thailand, that's not the case. However, my biggest problem though is, what about the bidding?
I was about to get into that.
Okay, sorry.
I believe that the problem of this bidding thing in Thailand is not being criticized in this particular government only. Because every government, even Kun Apisit Vechashiva, the
previous
former
government.
yes, he was criticized and is still being criticized now as a day.
Yeah,
About-
Kusukongpan just get in trouble with the whole concession.
Yeah,
thing.
so it is not about which government is in or at the national level or at the very local level. Because Kun Sukumpan is being criticized that he continues the BTS or the SkyTrain contract with a very doubtful bidding process.
13 years more for this particular concession.
So when the bidding process started,
What
how,
bid-
how, no, not
the
not
basis,
particular
the
day.
basis of the bidding process is to create the environment of competition. So if we fail to create that environment,
then it's not really a bidding.
no,
Right.
it's not really a bidding.
But in your opinion, seriously, is there any situation in Thailand where, perhaps what we can do to create the bidding a little bit more competitive? Just like hype up the competitiveness. You think it's possible? Is there a way?
It's a bit challenging
Yes.
because the bidding has to be transparent. And ironically, in the Thai politics, we have been talking about good governance for
good governance.
All the time.
for
Yes.
more than 10 years. But it's very bizarre that Thailand is successful in turning any concept into the Thai style, such as the Thai style democracy, the Thai style good governance. And I believe now we are in the politics of the Thai style bidding.
And
So-
it's so bad that most of people think that was acceptable.
I think is within the culture, it's a system. Don't forget, nepotism is really big right here in Thailand. And, just the fact that, well, if you know someone, like, hey, Kun Fai, you're my friend. You can't help me with this little thing, kind of thing.
Thai
You know,
style, classic.
you can't help me in a show
Which is
and
not
show
a
up
good
in the
thing.
morning.
Okay.
So,
We're
is there
running
any
out of
more?
time.
I think we are running
Running
out
out
of
of
time.
time.
Maybe we're
unfortunately.
talking about tomorrow.
Right, because
Okay.
Kun Fai will be here again tomorrow.
Yes.
And give us a little bit more updates.
Okay,
She's gonna be
right.
Early in the morning.
Thank you, Jasper, for
Yes,
our lovely
our
attire
lovely
once
attire.
again.
And for you, will be from.
The Royal Ivy Regatta from my
So yeah,
cute
so our
attire.
supporter, thank you very much. So we'll see you tomorrow. I'm Wanasan Kerhong.
แอมธนันนภัทรน้อยเวียง
เชนจุนสุทธนกุล
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ